So here also the same rule implies that when filling up anything or solving any question that you have to fill in with the article given, you have to focus on the sound but not on the letter given. For example, let us try and solve like this one here. I write a simple word orange. So if you are focusing on the sound, this letter starts with a sound of O, that is orange. O. It sounds like that. Okay. So if a blank is here and you have to fill in, you shall go with an. So an orange. Okay. Now focusing on coming on to the next one. An elephant. Why we have written elephant? Because the sound here sounds like a. A can be a sound of A, or it can be a semitone of E, like you have seen in the letter word cafe. You might have seen this notation over E in few letters or words. Like this one, we don't read it as cafe, we read it as cafe. So this denotes a semitone, that means you have to come a note down. So an elephant here sounds like a, as in A or E. Now moving further, if I write here dash are late. Dash are late. So if you will go with the basic rule that says you should follow with A on the consonants and an in the vowels, this rule doesn't follow here, since when you read this, you read it as R, not hour. You read it as R, as in O-U-R. Okay, so if you are writing A-R late, that is wrong. That will be wrong. So what you have to do, you don't have to write A-R late. You should follow the sound that follows it, R, or it follows sounds something like O. So what you have to do here, you have to write an R late. Okay, so kids, what do we understood here? That whenever solving articles, what you have to do, you have to follow up the sounds that follow the blank or the where you have to put in the article. You have to follow up the sounds, since it sounds like O, it sounds like A, and that sounds like O, though it's starting with H, it sounds like O. So you have to focus on the sound that is given, and then you have to follow up with the work what you have to do. Okay, I will be sending you a few questions to solve in as your homework. Till then, thank you.